Hi and welcome to my new series. All food is good, all food is bad. I come across people who say मैं तो fruits खाती हूँ, fruits तो healthy होता है, salad तो healthy होता है, millets तो healthy होते हैं. Again the same question, is it healthy for you? Did you ask yourself that question? So we did some videos in the Know Yourself series. Do revisit that. And now today let's talk about salads. Our favorite superfood. Lots of people have benefited from having salads like increased energy, weight loss, reduced inflammation, reduced acidity, heartburn, and so on. But many people also face problems by eating salads like constipation, gas, bloating, and so on. So salad eaten by the right person is person with the right prakriti, right current condition, digestive power, and so on. Right season, rainy, winter, summer, spring, autumn, in which season you're having the salad. Weather is again hot, cold, windy, cloudy, clear, what weather, that you have to see. On the right time of the day. So are you having it for breakfast or mid meal or lunch, supper, dinner? Some people also have salads for midnight cravings. So let's take that into consideration. And in moderation means anything excess is bad. So you have to keep a tap on the quantity in the right manner. So how are you eating your salad? Do you boil it, steam it, you eat it raw, you add something, do you combine it with something? So all this will cover in this video. Salad is good, but are you consuming it in a wrong manner? Let's see that. First point is salads are raw. See, nature has given animals teeth, claws, agility for self-defense. Human being has intelligence. So it would be unfair if plants do not have anything for self-defense. But plants do have. They produce toxins, and these toxins are in the vegetables, seeds of the fruits, leaves of the plants. So these anti-nutrients produced by the plants like lectin, phytic acid, oxalates, polyphenols, cyanide in the seeds, they are anti-nutrients. Means they prevent the absorption of nutrients in our body, and these anti-nutrients are not digestible. Most of them are indigestible by the human beings. They can cause problems in our body. One more fact I would like to tell you, that cooking played a big role in our evolution as a human being. There's a lot of research on that. After the prehistoric man discovered fire and started eating cooked food, our brain started developing, because the energy that was going into foraging, chewing, digesting a lot of raw food went into development of the brain. So we evolved as a human being because of cooking. According to Ayurveda, any food that is hard to digest for you is bad for you. So if the food doesn't get digested properly, it causes toxins in the body, it causes imbalances and many other problems. So the point is that always choose food that is easy to digest for you. Raw food is cold, dry, rough. These are qualities of Vata dosha. So if you visit my earlier presentation, Know Yourself Part 2, I have given qualities of each Prakriti. So if Vata dosha are having these qualities and a Vata person eats food of the same qualities, then Vata dosh will aggravate. Vata person should eat food of opposite quality. So not rough food, moist food, not dry food, oily food, or food with some fat. Not cold food but warm food. So if a Vata predominant person eats raw salads, then it can cause bloating, constipation, dryness of the skin, feeling cold, sleeplessness. These are all Vata problems. So people with Vata Prakriti and people, those who are having temporary Vata imbalances, because Vata is the principle of movement, and it is that dosha which gets imbalanced easily. So these problems like gas, bloating, constipation, dryness of skin are very common. So people, those who are Vata Prakriti, or currently those who are having Vata imbalances, currently those who are having these problems, gas, bloating, constipation, because Vata is the principle of movement and Vata imbalance can easily happen. So what is the solution? Should we completely avoid salads? No, as I said, salads are beneficial. So the 5 things that we saw in the first slide should be followed. Let's see what are those things. So summer season and spring season is good for having raw salads. So summer season and the season that comes before that, between winter and summer, spring, is good for having raw salads. Eat in the afternoon at least 20 minutes before meals. So if you're having raw salad, then have it before meal, not with the cooked food. So the time taken for digestion for cooked food and raw food is different. That's the reason you should not mix raw and cooked together. This can cause imbalances in the body, toxins in the body, because the food doesn't get digested properly. So if you are having raw salad, eat in the afternoon at least 20 minutes before your lunch. Eat in moderation. Anything excess is bad. So the quantity of the salad that you have to eat, you have to decide as per your digestive power. A big bowl of salad is good if you are able to digest it properly. Now let's come to Prakriti. Pitta people can eat raw salad in moderation. So if you are Pitta predominant, in summers if you just would like to have a bowl of salad, it's good for you. But again, you can be Pitta Kapha, Pitta Vata, or Vata Pitta Kapha, and so on. So if you know your Prakriti, this is only for predominant Prakritis. Like Kapha people, Kapha predominant can eat it in spring or summer. If they eat it in winter, then it can cause cold congestion problems for them. But it is good for Kapha for weight loss. But it's not good for Vata Prakriti. So if raw salad doesn't suit you, what you should do? So even if currently you are suffering from bloating, constipation, dry skin, feeling cold, sleeplessness, cough, congestion, eat warm salads. So what you should do? Stir fry, boil or steam the vegetables. Stir fry or saute. Just put some oil or ghee and you may put some tadka and spices in it, and just fry the vegetables till they become tender and eat the salad as warm salad when it is warm in temperature also. Then add spices like cumin, ginger, black pepper, cinnamon. So these are digestive spices. They will help you to digest the salad better. Even in the raw salad you can add these spices to make the salad more digestible. Again, all these tasty digestive spices, rock salt, lemon, chaat masala, that you can add. So be creative, add whatever digestive spices you want and make it tasty. Or if you want to eat raw salad, this is for Vata people or people having these problems mentioned above. They can eat it in small quantity, the raw salad I am talking about, as a kachumbar or koshimbir or kosambari with tadka. So give a nice tadka to your koshimbir with mustard seeds, cumin, curry leaves, chilies, and you can enjoy your koshimbir in small quantities with the main meal. So what you should not do, this is applicable for people with all the prakritis and all ages. Avoid raw salad after sunset. Our Agni, our digestive fire, is in tune with the sun. So when the sun goes down, our digestive fire weakens. Salads, raw foods, fruits are hard to digest, so avoid after sunset. Eating raw salads in the morning and cold weather can cause cold and congestion, especially in Kapha people, but for other people also, see the weather and eat. Don't mix fruit with vegetables. So again, mixing salads. How do you prepare salads? I will make some more videos on this. So mixing fruits with vegetables, mixing nuts or seeds with salad, eating raw and cooked together. So you are having like pasta in the salad. So boiled pasta and raw salad, boiled egg and raw salad, sorted paneer and raw salad. Avoid it. Don't use cream and mayonnaise dressings. So the dressings that you get in the market, don't use ready-made dressings. They have lots of additives, emulsifiers, preservatives and so on. Check the ingredients. So better avoid market bought dressings and make your own dressings. But don't put cream, mayonnaise. Either put the spices that I have mentioned, or you may also put lemon, vinegar, sometimes honey as well. So in the warm salad, when it cools down a bit, you may add the honey lemon dressing, not when it's in the pan or on the stove. Excess is bad, so eat in moderation. See, even if it is raw salad, cooked salad, salad with any kind of dressing, see the quantity. Always keep a tap on the quantity. Even good food, superfoods, if eaten in excess, are bad. Okay, so this was all about salads. So enjoy your salad, stay well, be happy, do like and subscribe to keep watching more videos in the series All Food is Good, All Food is Bad. Thank you so much.